Hello guys, I hope you enjoy this my blog and to provide and to help you also to motivate and helping your son have some autism hyperactive, and there is some activities and supplement and some teaching how the basics uh, to become a normal son. And the main reason why I want to share you, because my son is really messy. He never listening, he don't care everything. He never scared. He ran so fast. He cry louder. Everything. It's like a crazy. Yeah, children. Yeah, that's why it's autism. He don't care everything, that one. So I'm worried. It's around 2 years old, I discovered this son that he has autism, and I go to the doctor and check it, and he told me that he has a hyperactive son, autism. Okay, and he told me somebody that it's like a little son. He can talk later on like that, and then I ignore everything, and I observe every day pass on by. Yes, worse during the pandemic. It's really, oh my God, I'm crying always. I remember even his poo-poo. Oh my God, every week. Yes. Good morning. I love you. You always hug every morning. We need to drink and hug and kisses. And everything you show to him, it's really love, always attention. Say hi. Say hi. Wait, wait. Smack, mommy. Smack. Come on. Show me. Smack, mommy. Smack. Good morning. Oh, stretch. Oh my God. Okay. Lay down. That's it. So the first morning, every morning, you need to say good morning, hug and kisses, attention, and he needs to practice to reply. Always repeat and repeat so that he can talk. Before I start, thank you for your like and share and subscribe, so that some parents helping the children has autism and they become normal life. And I will teach you also those vitamins also, which vitamins needs to take. And first, the children needs vitamin D3, so the bones, the brain functioning, it's helping this one. Okay, and second is here, the DHA chewable. He love it too much. Two capsule every day, and one capsule, one It's like a chewable only. It's like tasty, okay? And this one, attention and focus. So I tried this one, okay? The first is I tried this one, and after 1 week I discover is really response and focus, attention. He can watch a TV within 30 minutes. Focus. It's good. No, it's good because before my Lucas, he never listening and focusing everything. So think is effective, no? Right? And this one, you try it. So the brain is functioning in everyday life, yes, and then you need to have some activities. So next episode, okay, I will teach you also how to the Lucas make it activities and active also, and that's it. So thank you, and don't forget, click like and share and subscribe, and any updates I will update you. Okay, thank you very much. Lucas is I enroll already KG1 online class because of pandemic, and also my case also I'm working also, so I leave somebody taking care of my children, and he cannot concentrate to studying, and really not focusing, no attention, no anything, because he has autism, hyperactive. And I decided to stop to work because of him, and I watch anything the video, doctor, some parents advice, anything. For the 1 month watching videos, some videos for has autism, and some vitamins also, activities also. I read everything the book, and then I decided, my husband, I need to resign, and then I need to focus this this kind of situation. So right now I don't have work in it. That's why and within two months already, before 1 month I buy some vitamins, and this one, Daily Omega, okay. So right now Lucas is 5 years old, so I decided to make it one by one. I want to share you Omega, Daily Omega Kids, okay, one daily, and some exercise also, and some this one, I don't forget this, okay, attention, focus. After 1 week, really difference. He make it poo-poo every day. I need to practice, rotate, only rotate. I put in the bathroom every 2 days, no, every 2 days first. They make it poo-poo, and then now it's every day, yes, even twice a day, it's okay, no problem, no issue, as long as you make it poo-poo every other day, not before 1 week, 7 days. I go also always doctor and say, you need to drink plenty of water, because I have working, I cannot locate checking always my son, and now it's totally different now. So within 2 months my son is really different now. So I proud Lucas, and I want to share in the world, to share with you, has a son and children also, has autism hyperactive. And next episode, okay, I want to show you how to make it basic activities and until to be normal. I'm sure you love it. Within 2 months, I'm sure that your son to be you call me, and then if you want to have some trainings to your son here, I accept, and just message in my inbox and comments about it below. Okay, thank you.